Hello and welcome to another Adobe Illustrator video tutorial on how to make the yin-yang symbol. And so here's a finished version. This is what I want you to do. We're doing this lesson to show you how to use both the Pathfinder tool and the Shape Builder tool. So there's a little combo of the two. So we're just going to go File, New. We're going to do 800 pixels by, or 800 points, or 800 pixels by 800. Say OK. View, show grid. I'm going to grab a circle. I'm going to hold the Shift and the Alt, going from the center. Grab a fairly big circle, making it white and black. Then you're going to black arrow tool, go Control C and Control V, right click, transform, and scale. And we're going to make it 50% uniform. So put in 50% here, say OK. Then I'm going to go Control C and Control V. So now I've got three circles. I'm going to grab all of them. I'm going to align and align center. Then I'm going to grab two of them and I'm going to align and align top. And then I'm going to click and drag over with the black arrow tool. And I'm going to align and align bottom. Then I'm going to click and drag over all of them. I'm going to grab the Pathfinder tool and I'm going to divide. Then I'm going to go get the Shape Builder tool and I'm going to click from here to here and from here to here. Then I'm going to grab the white arrow tool and I'm going to grab one side. I'm going to make it black. And I'm going to grab one side and make it white. Then I'm going to grab Shift and Alt and I'll make my small circles. And you can see this guide is allowing me to put it there. And I'm going to go Control C and Control V. And the guide helps me so it's in the center. And this one I'll switch. And then you've got to kind of make it centered. And there you have a yin-yang symbol with Adobe Illustrator CS6. Thanks for watching.